Just into the newsroom in the last 20 minutes, we now know who will replace the Kent County Sheriff when she retires.
Today, the Sheriff Appointment Committee gave the green light for Under Sheriff Brian Muir to take over for Sheriff Michelle LaJoy Young. Muir's appointment will take effect on October 9th, and he will fill the rest of the sheriff's term.
The committee voted unanimously for him to serve in the role. LaJoy Young announced her retirement in July. She's retiring after 37 years with the sheriff's office.
Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8 with meteorologist Sarah Flynn.
It is 12:19 on our Tuesday, and it was a sunny start to the day, but looking a bit different across West Michigan right now. South Haven, a prime example of that. We have cloud cover continuously streaming in with a bit of a breeze coming from the southwest. Those winds clocking between about 10 and 20 miles per hour. Yellow flags are flying there in South Haven and actually at most local beaches with wave heights anywhere from about 2 to 4 feet. They could get a bit higher, especially on the south side of those piers as we move about the afternoon. So something to be aware of. I think they'll top off right near 4 or 5 feet. And then into the evening, we still do have that chance for some showers and thunderstorms rolling in, but that will be primarily after 7 o'clock. So much of your afternoon will be dry. Those rain showers are starting to get going off to our west. They're pretty scattered right now. By the time we see this cold front sweep through West Michigan, it should fire up a batch of showers and thunderstorms that's a bit more steady or widespread. And that's what we're expecting inbound for us between about 8 o'clock and midnight. What our major concern is the amount of rain coming with it and perhaps a few gusty winds. It shouldn't be a very long duration event by any means, but some of those winds could get really close to that severe threshold. And it's also why the Storm Prediction Center has upped our risk over the last about 24 hours here. So let's walk through the futurecast to give you an idea of what'll play out. We'll start to see some of those rain showers develop, as mentioned, right around 8 o'clock. It'll be a batch of storms that'll move northwest to southeast, by the way. And as this sweeps through, some of this leading edge could produce some gusty winds, but most of us will return to dry conditions right around midnight or 1 in the morning. Wednesday looking like a pretty dry day for us. There will be a chance for maybe a pop-up shower or two in the afternoon and evening, but there's been a little bit of inconsistency on if that will play out, so we'll hold off on focusing on that for now. When we look at how much rain is coming along with this, it actually could be impressive in a handful of spots. Most of us will see about a 1/4 inch or less, but we could see higher totals upwards of a 1/2 to 1 inch of rain, depending on where those thunderstorms fire up and if they linger over the region. You'll notice with this latest run, areas like Muskegon County could see some of those higher pockets. And a marginal risk is what the Storm Prediction Center has given us across West Michigan. That is a level 1 out of 5 on our scale. And again, if we were to see a severe thunderstorm warning issued or perhaps a special weather statement, it would likely be tagged for the potential of some damaging winds. So we'll be on the lookout for that tonight, but the overall threat for us is looking very, very low at this point. A mostly dry Wednesday and Thursday. Both days will actually look and feel quite similar with highs topping off near 80. Thursday morning should feel a bit better too, with low temperatures dipping down to those 50s for a change. It's actually one of the only days that we have as we approach the weekend with lows in the 50s, but the weekend itself is trending cooler. Highs in the mid-70s both Saturday and Sunday, something that will carry through next week. And we're still tracking the potential for some showers and thunderstorms rolling through late Friday night and carrying into Saturday.